Every time someone sneezes, it sounds like a simple enough phenomenon, but did you know a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? When irritants tickle our nasal lining, our brain kicks into gear, sending signals to expel them with a mighty sneeze. This reflex not only clears your nose, but also helps protect you from potential infections. Interestingly, sneezes can even be contagious, triggering friends to join in. So, next time someone sneezes around you, consider it a sign of your body trying to advocate for its health, all while maybe starting a sneeze symphony.